Fire extinguishers are the first line of defense in any emergency, but only if they are working and compliant with the UAE regulations. So, here's a simple way to check if your fire extinguishers are actually ready to protect or waiting to fail. 1. Extinguishers must be tagged and serviced. Every extinguisher must have a tag showing that it's inspected and maintained by a civilians approved contractor. 2. Proper type of extinguisher for the hazard. CO2 for electrical rooms, foam for flammable liquids, wet chemical for kitchens. Using the wrong type is both dangerous and non-compliant. 3. Correct mounting height and visibility. Extinguishers must be mounted at visible, accessible locations, typically along exit routes and not behind furniture or storage. 4. Pressure gauge must be in the green. If the needle is in the green zone, it might not discharge correctly in an emergency. 5. No physical damage or obstruction. Dented body, broken hose, rust, or even a missing pin means the unit is not compliant. According to the UAE Fire and Life Safety Code, these portable units must be inspected regularly and documented by your AMC provider. During civilians inspections, non-compliant extinguishers are one of the most common violations and one of the easiest to fix. Installed based on risk, not guesswork. A proper risk assessment ensures the right placement.